Hello, we're on the overnight Berlin train. It was really comfortable, shockingly. We had an awesome room with a shower in it. And this is it. Alright, thank you. Look at our bathroom. Look at the ticket. We had a douche and toilet.
Follow.